I'm hearing, do you have an idea of who you're becoming? God put you in positions that only very, very, very few people are capable to go through. God, the Most High, knew that you had the power to handle every single struggle, challenge, trauma, every sadness I'm hearing and suffer that you've been through was a preparation to match what you asked for. You're so protected. I just saw 101. Your angels, your spirit team, they've been tailoring, I'm hearing you, as a diamond. You went through exactly what you had to go through to become that highest version of yourself. You know that you've never been alone. Whether it's your spirit team, fairies, I'm hearing animals around you. It could be also people that passed away, ancestors of the highest light. I'm talking to someone that has been isolated most of their incarnation for a reason. And now you know. It's like you get through it. You just know the process. If you found this channel, there is a reason I'm hearing it's because you're almost there. And this is the last meters or centimeters I'm hearing. This is just a little help for the final, grand final. You done the work. Mainly, there is just some debris, there is just some energetic residue that I am capable to help you transmute. I am a mental health counselor, a shaman, a Kundalini master. I work with the golden cobra, the goddess Kundalini. She is rising up to your spine. She's burning and transmuting any trapped emotions, anything that is not aligned with love, light, and truth. Everything is stored within your hips. It's always a good advice that I give. Please move your system, physically move your body, as it's going to help transmute some stretching, some Pilates, some yoga, or just some box or heavy weight. I'm talking to someone that needs to, stretch their back, and it's going to help stimulate your serpent fire. You have this magnificent solstice conjunction with new moon and end of the year. It's an year 9. This is your chance to step forward. This is massive cycles ending, and there is a lot of wind here. There is a lot of storm. It's very unusual, right? This is the wind of change. It's bringing so much new beginnings in your life because you're prepared for that. I feel something coming, and if you're ready, please close your eyes. I'm going to help you. I'm very guided to help you transmute. We still have some debris in the throat space. Remember, this is the blue chakra. This is authority and divine sovereignty. This is the sword of Archangel Michael helping you cut with everything that do not serve your highest and best good, saying your truth, speaking your truth every single day, the way you feel, the way you want to say yes or no, please just loud say it. Karekia anzu kutatatakutatanaya so no why I na Ara ekere I endera tututoko undo tututu undo tututu undo tututu undo tututu unda iria taru kutundu tututu unda tututu undo tututu unda ara atekedere enda tatatata uara ananana tutu turu uanana te say Atsoroku no tutu yo wanae nae ne Oroku anata riana owatara sarandara kere iono tutuku watra through you. You are now a catalyst for Mother Earth to rise her own Kundalini through you, through your purity. She can express, she can rise, she can heal herself. Kikara tukututuma ate itri ian a. Araki rawendere so mbo yo wananayato uru wata ai. Ire connecting you with the sacred fire. Rekotu tuna a. Iriota una toto ukru utu wasa ana ate ikere Ata oyakunda ara undoro and the water kuturuku fire and water and dragon tki ire atsi undo toto ere anai oh ay nai kriya ashunu no why Arai ana Ioto umbai ai kroana te asai Reo no There is code for twin flame, divine union from within, unifying the divine feminine, divine masculine from within first for it to manifest it through a Kundalini awakening and divine union and counter into the 3D reality. Arayako tutunduturu ukuru untototototototototototototo. These codes are going to help you. I'm seeing rainbows in my mind's eye. I'm seeing actually, in my heart space is tingling and burning. I hope you can feel that. This is everything I wish for you. I'm seeing all the chakras, rikota dinte yatsa alignment ki atu umba a tsarayatsa. Someone is ready for divine union, and I'm so happy. Again, it starts within. The peace, the alignment. I saw like a fire flame, and it was water, I thought, but it was more like, the fire, yellow flame and the blue flame dancing, unifying. It is so beautiful. If you want to dig deeper, you don't want to miss the codes and the masterclass I'm offering through my website. This is your ultimate way to unifying, suppressing distorted polarities, aligning with your true authentic self, cutting any toxic cord that you might have that is not allowing you to fulfill your destiny, align with abundance. This is your divine right. I'm here to remove any trauma, any wounds that is blocking the process of you receiving your abundance, your inheritance, physical and spiritual inheritance. Everything you have accumulated through time and space, also from your ancestors. You have so much gift that are allowing you, but you need to unlock them. My God, I cannot make this up. Look how beautiful this card is. This is the throat chakra. I'm talking to someone that needs to work, hear their truth, speak their truth, right? This is your ultimate way to flight, and I'm hearing you have the choice to fight or to flight, because you're supposed to fly. You're not supposed to fight anymore. It's supposed to be easy. It's supposed to be so easy. You just have to spread your truth and ask and you shall receive. Also, I'm hearing, I cannot make this up. This is so powerful. I have alignment. I was literally saying it. And we have two blue cards, so massive emphasis. There is still some truth that has to be said loud, and I cannot stress this enough. How, yes, there is an energetic work to do. There is cord to cut with people, but there is also some truth that has to be said loud, because your inner child wants to speak the truth that it was not, or she was not able to speak before, right? You're on your way to alignment. You're on your way to alignment. I have one last card. This is infinite, right? You're about to open the door to infinite potential, and it starts from within. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're just one step. Yeah. This is healing. And you see how they look like. Look at the rainbow I was saying earlier. It's here. It is here. I'm hearing you're just one truth away from your infinite, from being completely healed and reach your infinite potential. I can help you. And if you already know what this truth is, please say it. Until next time, I love you. Namaste.